Alright guys, so I found a better setup right here, and this is beautiful, guys. This is a beautiful setup. We're on a 5-minute chart. I entered in for 14 minutes, and now there's 6 minutes and 56 seconds to go. We're in Audi JPY here, and this is beautiful, guys. I want to see how this trade runs out. As you can see, we was in a actual downtrend. So this wasn't a pullback. This was an actual downtrend, because this was all going up. This was all the uptrend. But then, as you can see, once you got this right here, see, look, because all this was like trend up. Once you got here, this was like the trend break. Let me show you real quick. All of this was up, here, uptrend. Once you got here, this was the trend break. Once you got that trend break, this was the retest to the new high. We got that. So I knew that after that, the direction should not, there's a high probability that we should be heading, there's a high probability that we should be heading down. And we headed down, and now the 21 EMA is barreling down. And usually when it's barreling down like that, until it bends, it's your friend. You feel what I'm saying? The 21 EMA is your best friend. The trend is your friend, but 21 EMA is your best friend. And we got 5 minutes left in this trade, guys. And so, I wanted to, call this signal today. Today we basically just, practicing calling signals and everything like that. But, hey, you gotta, that's how you manifest it into existence. You just gotta do it, because your mind, your subconscious mind does not know the difference between real and fake. So all we know is that the law of practice says the more you practice, you will, and persevere, you will reap rewards of what you've done. So, let's go. Now, this trade is 4 minutes left. There's a lot that can go down. There's a lot that can happen. Honestly, we're gonna ride it out. I'm gonna full screen it, and we're just gonna record it the rest of the trade, and we're just gonna see what we're gonna do on here. I went in for $999. If we get this is our last trade for today. Chart's looking a little unstable today right now. What the oh, I thought news hit. I was about to say, chart's looking a little unstable right now. It is now what time is it? It is now 4:38 a.m. So I'm glad that you guys are liking these videos right here. And if you really want to see me trade live and everything like that, we're gonna definitely get this together, man. You feel what I'm saying? So we got 4 minutes left on this trade. And it's looking pretty good. It's looking pretty good so far. It is looking pretty good. We entered on this was a perfect signal candle we entered on, man. As far as price action, that candle was perfect. It was a lower high, higher low and lower high. Here was the second entry long, and that right there entry was the lower high. That high was lower than the last high. We got 3 minutes left. There is some rejection coming down here based on basically right up in this area, right over here. So, but price is definitely, man, this and it's 92. We up in here on 92%. I'm talking about London session is cranking today, bro. Just cranking today. We got 3 minutes left in this beautiful trade, and we will be done for today. Let's see where we at. We had to do this $1,000 trade. We're in the money. That will put us in for about a good $500 this session, because this was actually the 4th entry rule. So we get this trade to put us up 500. I'm fine with 500 for today, and let's just get it, man. Let's just get it. And that's just how I do. And then we just go do something else, go to sleep or whatever, or whatever else you want to do. You could take a little nap and get ready for the other session, or you could just prepare yourself with your other jobs and your other works that you do. This is a beautiful trade that I took on a 5-minute chart for 14 minutes. I mean, beautiful, just beautiful. And it's actually a drop base drop. Literally, I call it a drop base drop. Literally, I call it a drop base drop. There was a lot of confluence going on here. You got the 21 EMA crossing each other. You got the second entry long coming right off the 200 EMA that's underneath it, closing underneath. I mean, there was so many confluences on this trade. This was a high probability trade, and that's why you go risky on your high probability trades, man. You got to go risky. Got to go risky on your high probability trades, because that's how you really like kill it in pocket option or binary options and whatnot. And this is regular forex pairs, by the way. So this chart right here that we're looking at is exactly what you would be looking at right now on any other trade trading view or whatever. It's the same data and information, same shit that everybody in the world trading right now. And this was a good run. I know the people who caught this on forex is like, hell yeah. We got 46 seconds left, family. And other than that, this was a great video, a great trading day. You're just gonna keep on pushing, guys. If don't forget, this is all done in a demo account. But if you want to see me trade live where it go down like this, like even more, you can actually see the entries. You can actually, you know, literally see, you know, the input, and you can actually basically copy my trade I did, or you could, you know, you can copy the signal if you like. On YouTube we just kind of just doing like demo stuff like that, but then, you know, we keep the real live trading for the VIP. You know, for the VIP. We got it, family, we got it. So that's it with that. Let's see where we at real quick, guys. So we got up in here, and I think we had about 4,200. We was about 4,200. That's even. So we was about 500 down in the hole. So yeah. Yeah, so we was about 500 down in the hole. So now we probably up about we up. All right, that was a beautiful trade, like just beautiful. And man, listen, I love y'all. I'm gonna see y'all on the next video. Peace.